Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm bringing you a new way of making money online. You can make from $15 to $150 per sale, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Super simple. You can do it anywhere in the world. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna go to Fiverr affiliates first of all, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. So if you go to the affiliate program, and so this is how it looks like when you get on that website. And then what you want to do, you want to go to the commission plan, and I'll show you what it is. So this is the payment that you can get if you promote Fiverr. So what we're going to do here, we're going to use the CPA offers. And as you can see, you can make from $15 to $150 for the CPA, depending on what service your customers are gonna pay, are gonna buy. So here, this is how it works. If they buy a Fiverr Pro through your affiliate link, and I'll show you exactly what to do again. So you see it's fairly easy. You'll make $150, and then it depends on what category you want to promote, and what vendor you want to promote. And this is the different money making values you can get depending on what you're promoting. So it goes from $150 to $50 to $40, $30 here for the e-commerce and everything, $25 for gaming, video marketing, social media marketing, which is super hot right now, and to $15 for all other categories. So minimum you'll be making $15, and maximum you'll be making $150 per cost per action. So every time somebody buys via your link, you'll be making that money, whatever money is showing here. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first step you want to do is to join the affiliate plan. Fairly simple. It's free, completely free. So you just go on join now, fill in the informations here they want, and just sign up, log in, and you're in. Step number two, you want to look for the best, something best in the area you live in or where you want to promote. So let's say I personally live in Calgary, so I'm gonna say best Italian pizzas in Calgary. Here you go. And so as you can see here, we have a list on Google. We have a list of the best Italian pizzas in Calgary. So this one is sponsored. That means this company, this pizza business is paying for some ads, or is paying to be ranked on Google. So what we're gonna do, these ones are doing pretty well as well because they're ranked. So you'll go to more places here, and we will just scroll down. So you have a few, so we can see like those ones were pretty well ranked because they're popping up at the top when you put like best Italian pizzas in Calgary. But those ones, they could do better, right? And you have quite a few, and you have a lot of pages if you wanted to. So what you want to do, you want to help these businesses right here to rank higher and to be here in the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in the top 5, because this is mainly where people are going to go to. If you type best whatever pizza, burger, best dentist, best hairdresser, best mechanic, or whatever else business you want in your area, you will probably go to the first ones, like the ones with the best reviews and the ones that are ranked really high, because this is what you see. And do we really want to scroll down and just check all of them and check the reviews and everything. Not really, even though, some have really good reviews. As you can see, 1.1, 1,100 reviews here for this one, and they're good. And so, anyways, the point is we want to help the businesses to rank higher. So, this is what we're going to do from there. So, you want to find the vendors here that you're going to use for your offers. So you want to find Google Map citation. Okay, this is what you want to check. And actually put an S, it's better. And those are the sellers, so the vendors. So here you have some, you can see it's fairly cheap, first of all. You don't need to pay a lot of money to be ranked. And I would recommend taking the ones with the best reviews, of course, and the ones with, Fiverr's choice tag on it, or top rated seller. What else do we have here? Take some sellers that have a lot of reviews and that are not super expensive anyways. But here, like if I were to pick one, I would probably pick this one, right? So because it's got over 1,000 sales and is a top rated seller. So you want to go here. So he's selling his offer for $14. His gig is sold for $14 Canadian. It probably is $10 US. So we want to promote this person. So what are we going to do? So this is your Fiverr portal, when your Fiverr affiliates portal, your dashboard. So what you want to where you want to go to is marketing tools, and you want to go to default and deep links. So this is where you want to go to. So here, as you can see, you have the Fiverr CPA right here. So what you want to do, you'll go back to your seller, and it was here. So you'll go here, you right click on the writing here, and you will just select copy link address. So you have it here. Then you can go here and you can go to LP URL. And here, and here you will paste your link, the link of your seller right there. And so now if you want to check, you'll just copy this. You copy the link here, and you can just paste it here. See, this is the long link that we had. And then you can just press enter, and this is what you get. So you are here. So now when you promote this, whenever the person wants to go ahead and buy it, is going to pay $14, but you will be making, for that one SEO, you'll probably be making $15 for this one. So this is how it will work. So simply, like, if the person pays for that, you'll still be making the full amount, or even a little bit more even. So how are we going to do that now? So here you just want to go to our businesses. Let's say you want to go to this one. You can just go on the website here. So you'll go to each of them and you'll go to their contacts and get their emails. So just like build up a small list of emails from those businesses, and then I'll show you how you can automate everything and make it super easy. In just one email, you'll just send it to everyone. It's going to be super simple. So you just select all the emails. Sometimes it can be harder to get you just go through the list, get a few emails, and take 100 100 emails, get a list done, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, now what we want to do, we want to shorten the URL that we have, the long one. So I'm using bit.ly.com. Just go there. It's free. You just sign up, and you can shorten the link, and you can customize the end of your link. So let's say here, I created this one, bit.ly um, / sorry, best Google ranking. So this is how I called mine. So I can just copy this link, and it's going to take me to my Fiverr seller. So you just go there first. Once you did that, I want you to go to ChatGPT. So chat.openai.com. Again, ask ChatGPT to create a letter. So you can simply, if you want to, you can just copy my one. You just copy this here, and you can ask ChatGPT to tweak it and make it like different, so it would be a different letter. If you want to use the same, you can, but if you want to change it, go ahead. So what you want to do, you just want to change here, if you're in the business of making burgers or making Greek food or French cuisine or whatever you want to promote, or if you're in the business of dentistry or anything you want, change it up to what you want. But yeah, take this one as an example. Use ChatGPT, do whatever you want with ChatGPT, change it however you want. So you just use ChatGPT, of course, so no work to do on your part. It's on the AI bots. ChatGPT is going to do all the work for you. Just need to tell the bot to what you want, and it's just going to create it. Super simple. So once you just copy this, then go to System.io. Just get a free account. If you already have an account, that's great. If you don't, it's completely free. You just sign in, sign in. I'll leave the link below as well if you want, for bit.ly, System.io, and everything. So you get a free account, and then this is where the magic will happen. So when you're there, you go to contacts and you go to tags. So you'll go to tags. And here you can create a tag. So I already created one, Pizzas Fiverr. So you just simply go to create and put the name of your tag. Then what you want to do with that, then you'll go to contacts here. So you click on contacts and you'll simply create a contact. So you'll put the email of one of the pizza shop, email address, language, English, French, whatever it is, wherever you live. And then you select the tag. So, because you're going to create that contact under one tag. So let's say you want just the tag of the pizza Fiverr. So you just put the name, fill in everything, and then you'll save. So whatever you want to put here, and then you save. And after that, you will go to email and you'll go to newsletters. And here you will create one. So you go to create. I usually use the classic editor. So the sender's email, for System.io, you need to have a professional email address. So I do have one. Put your professional email address, your name, subject. So the subject, this is where you're going to put on ChatGPT. I created that one. You have the best Italian pizzas, but it is missing one thing. Here's how to fix it. So you just go ahead, copy this one, copy that one, here and go back to your dashboard. Here on the subject, you put that and you save. And then I already created it, but I want to show you. So this is the subject. You put your subject, and then I just copied and pasted my ChatGPT letter. So create that. Sorry, it created that. You just copy and you go here. You paste it. So wherever you see link, check out our portfolio here. So you will just like select the word and click on here, that link button. And over here, you'll put the URL of the URL that you got on Fiverr, which was right, it was right here, Fiverr CPA. You copy it and you go here, you just paste it, okay. And then at the end, you know, click on the link below to learn more. And this is where I put my bit.ly short link with best Google ranking, you know, because you're not going to put the long link. It won't make sense. I mean, people are not going to like it. And then what you want to do from there, you'll go here on the tags. You know, you created your list of people with the tags that you want to use for that group of people, and we created pizzas Fiverr. So include these tags and exclude the following tags: ebook. So I don't want to be sending my ebook to those people when I just want to promote that Fiverr gig over there. So that's what you do, and then you can save and send as a test email. So test email, I tried it and I'll show you. So this is how it came in my email address. You know, it came from my professional email, contact@worklessplaymore.net. Hello there, blah, blah, blah. So it is exactly what I wrote. And if I click the link, it's going to take me right here. So if that person buys that gig for $14, you make $15. Again, here we can check it out. Same thing, it's going to the link as expected. So once you're ready to send, you checked and it is sending the right email. It's well presented and everything. If you want to add more things, you can add photos or whatever. You can surely do that too. You save and you schedule the newsletter, so you can schedule it right here. And here it is, and you can just send it right away. Send now. So it's going to be sending to all your list, all the people that you tagged with Fiverr, pizzas Fiverr. It's going to send to those people, and that's it. So the idea is to have a lot of emails, so then you can send that to those people. And of course, if you have a business, you want to rank higher on Google, because that's how you can get more customers. And that's all you have to do. You literally do not have to show your face. You don't have to call them. You don't have to chat with them really. And they decide if they want to buy the gig or not. And whenever they buy the gig, you will make minimum $50, maximum $150. Up to you. You can do it anywhere in the world again. And you can use whatever business you want to use. And that's how you can make money super easily. Thanks guys for watching my video. I really appreciate your time. If you found it useful, please give me some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. Don't forget any new videos coming up on new ways of making money online, and I'm very curious to know as well where you guys are coming from. So please leave a comment below, let me know where you come from, and I'll see you next week with a new video on a new way of making money online. See you guys!